La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's a Robin's world, Emo's a Robin's world. La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's a Robin's world, Emo's a Robin's world. World with Elmo's, world with Robin's world. Okay. My dating white website is all set up now. I'm gonna get so many women. Okay, now let's start looking for a woman. Ooh, what about her? She's smoking. Okay, I'ma send her a date request. What? Rejected? Ugh. Whatever. She a H word anyways. Okay, let me go find another one. Ooh, what about her? Rejected again? Come on! Hey, Big Bird, what are you doing? Oh, hey, Elmo. I'm just on this dating website and I keep getting rejected by girls. Maybe because you're ugly. Hey, the Big Bird's not ugly. I'm handsome. Well, maybe you haven't found the right girl yet. No duh. I haven't found the right woman. If I found the right woman, she wants to reject me. You know what, Big Bird? I think I'm gonna find the right woman real soon. Yeah, whatever. Ooh, what about her? Rejected again. I don't know what I'm doing. Beat, and done. Hey, Elmo, what's so funny? Oh, hey, Robin. I'm on a dating website. Me, dressed up like a woman. Why? You know how Big Bird was on the dating website, right? Oh yeah, I saw like earlier. Well, when he scrolls to see that woman, and I'm gonna be that woman, and I'm going to reject him. Elmo, that's kinda mean. No, it's funny. Just watch. Few hours later. Ugh. I've been so rejected by so many girls. I'm so desperate. Ugh. Let me try to find one more woman. She is the most beautiful girl I've ever seen in my entire life. He has sent me a date request. I'm gonna reject him. Wait, Elmo, don't do it. Hey guys. Huh? What is it? Guys, I found the most beautiful girl on the dating website. What's her name? Her name's Elizabeth. Something funny, Elmo. I just think that name is stupid. It's not a stupid name. It's a beautiful name. Elizabeth is so hot. Guys, I wanted to do some things to her. What? Just forget what I'm trying to say. Well, guys, I'm about to I'm about to send her a date request. I just did it like a few minutes ago, but if she doesn't accept it, I'm gonna kill myself. You're gonna kill yourself? Why? Well, it's because I've been rejected so many girls, and if Elizabeth rejects me, and that means I'm truly ugly, and then I'm gonna be the lonely man for the rest of my life. Well, I hope she doesn't reject me. Elmo, now you have to go with him. No, I'm not gay, but if you don't do it, he's gonna kill himself. Psh, whatever. Come on, Elmo, you gotta do it. You gotta do it, Elmo. Ugh, ugh, fine. Ugh. Few minutes later. Well, she haven't accepted yet, so I guess I'm gonna kill myself. She accepted. She accepted it. Yes, I'm not a loser. I am not ugly. I am gorgeous. Yes, yes. Okay, there. I look gay. Well, you're gay. Hey! Listen, Elmo. I mean, Elizabeth. It's just only one date, and you just gotta do this. Fine. Man. She's at the door. Do I smell good? No. Oh, what the heck? Hey, Elizabeth. Hey, Big Bird. Oh, God. You look even more beautiful in person. Oh, thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. So, if you're wondering what that smell is, I haven't took a shower, so that what that is. Oh, well, I didn't. Neither did I. Ew. Well, let's just go. Well, this is the living room. This is where the magic happens. What? You know, like, that's how people say in their conversations, like, their relationships, stuff like that. Okay. Yeah. But anyways, we can just sit down a bit, you know, like I could say, something freaky is gonna happen tonight, right? No! What? I mean, I chew. Oh, well, that was a weird sneeze. Oh well. We can just watch TV shows, you know. Oh, okay. Yeah, so, I pretty much don't know much, so let's just turn on. Beep. Ugh. Move it, football head. Football head? My head's not the only thing that's shaped like a football. Yeah, that what that is. Huh? Big Bird, what are you doing? Um, I was just putting my arm around you, and that's what pretty much men do in their relationships. My back's allergic. Your back's allergic to your hand. Your back's allergic to my hand. Yeah, but my hand is covered in feathers, and your back is like furry and oh yeah. Well, I haven't had my first kiss yet, so maybe I could take it on this date. So no. Huh? I gotta go to the bathroom. Bye. Uh, okay. I wonder how the date is going. Robin. Oh, hi, Elmo. You're back. How was the date? He tried to kiss me, and I'm not doing that. I'm not gay. He tried to kiss you? Yes, he did. I'm just a lost girl. I'm a fine woman. He just got nervous. But you gotta go on a date with him. Psh, bye. Elmo, what about your cookie friend? You're talking about Cookie Monster? Yeah, why can't he go on a date? But he's blue and you're red. And you know how Big Bird is. I bet he won't know the difference. Oh. Okay, just go find Cookie Monster. Okay. Cookie. Hey, Cookie Monster. Oh, hi, Elmo. I just want some cookies right now. Hey, Cookie Monster. Yeah? Can you do me a quick favor? Can you put this wig on? Well, it's not a wig. Just put it on, and you gotta go on a date with Big Bird. What's in it for me? I give you a whole box full of cookies. Okay, deal. Okay, Big Bird. The date is going on, but you got this. You got this. Hey, big boy. Huh? Elizabeth, you're back. Yeah. Yeah, but why you're blue? Oh, it's because say it. It's because I dyed myself. Oh, that's normal. So, wait, your voice got a little different. Why's that? I'm on my period. Ew. Well, like I said, I know I haven't said this, like, I know I know it's a little early, but, I just, will you be with me forever? Well, I wonder how this date is going. Yeah. So hey, Robin, how is Emily? Oh, she's doing good. Guys, I think I'm in love. Why's that? Uh, we just got done doing. Ugh. No way he. Huh? Uh, Nothing, Big Bird. Just continue. Well, we was doing it over and over. So, yeah. I'm the happiest girl ever. Yeah, so, come on, Elizabeth. Let's go. Okay. When until he find out when he pull off the wig and he finds out it's Cookie Monster. That's crazy.